Visual spatial. Visual learners absorb information best by using visual aids such as graphs, charts, maps, and diagrams that help them visualize relationships and ideas. Auditory. Auditory learners excel when information is presented orally, and they learn best through lectures, discussions, and listening to explanations and solutions. Verbal linguistic. Verbal learners thrive on written and spoken content, excelling in both writing essays and participating in discussions. Physical kinesthetic. Kinesthetic learners prefer to use their bodies, hands, and sense of touch to engage with material through movement, making, and manipulating objects. Logical, mathematical. These learners utilize logic, reasoning, and systems thinking to understand concepts, often excelling in mathematics and problem-solving tasks. Social. Social learners achieve the best outcomes when they can work in groups or with a partner, sharing ideas and receiving immediate feedback. Solitary. Solitary learners are self-motivated and independent, often delving deep into subjects through self-study without the need for group interaction. Naturalistic. Naturalistic learners engage with learning when they can use nature or simulated environments to explore and learn, often excelling in subjects like biology and environmental sciences. Reflective. Reflective learners need time to ponder and digest the information privately before they understand or apply it. Experiential. Experiential learners need hands-on experience and often benefit from simulations, practical exercises, and real-world applications to fully understand the material. Intuitive. Intuitive learners look beyond the facts to the broader possibilities, relying on their instincts to guide their learning process. Systematic. Systematic learners approach their studies with a structured format, preferring organized materials and valuing step-by-step learning processes. Critical. Critical learners are naturally skeptical, analyzing the information they receive deeply and preferring to question and evaluate materials thoroughly. Creative. Creative learners draw upon their ability to use imagination and original thinking to produce new ideas and solutions. Holistic. Holistic learners need to see the whole picture to understand the parts, preferring integrated learning experiences that connect the dots across subjects. Observational. Observational learners pick up skills and knowledge by watching others perform tasks or demonstrate techniques before trying them themselves. Abstract. Abstract learners prefer to engage with ideas and concepts rather than direct facts, enjoying tasks that involve theory and abstract reasoning. Concrete. Concrete learners require tangible and specific examples to understand a subject, benefiting from direct interaction with the material. To learn more about learning styles, watch my videos on multiple intelligences and the VARC learning styles model. Those videos are on screen now.